All right, these are the finishing steps. And what I'm going to do now is, now that it's all dried, the grout has dried for 24 hours, I'm going to take alcohol and go back over the shards and clean off any residue of grout that is left on the shards themselves. That way we don't have any little speckles, any little flaws on top of any of the pieces. And it just brings out the shine in each one of these pieces. Cleans them all up, makes them all nice and shiny, so they look very pretty. We do that. And then a very important part of this process is, because we're working with sharp pieces, we're working with glass basically, and there are frequently many sharp edges to this glass. What I do is I go over each piece and I have a file, and I file down all the sharp edges so no one gets cut, and so that it's safe. And that's a very important part of doing this, so that the finished piece not only looks good, but it feels good too. So any rough spots, any sharp edges, I go over with a file. Very important part of this process. And it really makes a difference to do that. And the very last thing that I do after it has dried, after the piece has dried about 24 hours, is I spray it with grout sealer. And that just makes it more impervious to weather and to the elements, and it just really sets it. It doesn't change the color of the grout or the shards at all. It just sets the grout. And then what you do is you enjoy it. And I'm going to put some beautiful flowers in here so you can see how gorgeous the finished product looks. Hello, this is Eileen Haller for Expert Village. Now I've shown you how to make a beautiful vase to give to Aunt Tilly or your mom or whoever. And as you can see, it would make a beautiful gift to give to anyone. I've shown you how to break the pieces, how to find the pieces, how to glue them on, how to grout them, the whole deal. So please make whatever you like. Have fun with it. Be imaginative. Be creative. And thank you so much for watching my craft. Thank you. For more information, you can contact me at eihaller711 @ca.rr.com. Thank you so much.